Welcome everyone in your mathematics class. Our chapter is number system, that is our first chapter, and this is your first video. In our first lecture, let us do a small recap of whatever you have learned in your previous classes about different number systems. The first one you learn is N, which stands for natural numbers. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So next was W, that stands for whole numbers. They are 0 and all the natural numbers. So when we take 0 with the natural numbers, it becomes whole numbers. And the third one was integers, Z. And you know integers, when we take negative numbers also with the whole numbers, so integers were minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, then came 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So these were the three number system. You already have studied their property, their addition, their closure property. So many things you learn about distributivity. So I need you to recall everything about them. Now, there is a question. Do you think every whole number is a natural number? Every whole number is a natural number? No, because 0 is a whole number, which is not a natural number. So this statement that every whole number is a natural number is wrong. But it's opposite. When we say every natural number is a whole number, so yes, it is correct. The similar is with integers, that every integer is a whole number? No. But every whole number is an integer. Every natural number is an integer. So you see, integer is a bigger group. So every member of the smaller group belongs to the member of the bigger group. We'll make a small Venn diagram also in the end when we complete all the number systems. Now, one more number system, the group of number you studied in your 8th class, represented by Q, is, if you can recall, it was rational numbers. For example, minus 3 by 5, 2 by 4, 0 by 1, 5 by 2, or you can say 4 by 1, 7 by minus 9, and so on. Now I want you to stop here and just observe the numbers, how they are formed. What is the numerator? What is the denominator? Are the numerator whole numbers, integers, or natural numbers? Can we say numerators are integers? Yes. Can we say numerators are whole number? No. They are not whole number, they are not integer, they are not whole number, they are not natural numbers, they are integers. Similarly, if you focus upon the denominators, you observe one thing, that the 0 is not coming anywhere in the denominator. Though we have negative number in the denominator, it means the numerator and denominator can be the integers, and the denominator cannot be 0. So now it is a time to make definition of rational numbers. The definition is also given in your book, page number 3. So you can read the definition from there. I'll just read it for you. A number R is called a rational number if it can be written in the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. I'm writing it. A number R is called rational number if it can be written in P by Q form, where now there is another time of condition, that there is specific conditions that P and Q, the numerator and denominator, have to follow, where P and Q are integers, and one more condition on Q we have not equal to 0, and this I have already explained. So let me underline the main points. So any number, let us say the number name is R, is rational. वो rational होगा, it will be rational if it is of P by Q form, one thing, and P and Q are integers, and third condition is Q must be non-zero. It should not take the value 0, because when the denominator is 0, the number is not defined, because we cannot divide by 0. Division by 0 is not possible. There is no answer of it. Okay, now it's the time for our exercise 1.1. So, exercise 1.1, the question number 1 is, I'll read it for you. Is 0 a rational number? Can you write it in the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0? So do you think is 0 a rational number? So, answer, yes, 0 can be written as 0 by 1 or 0 by 4 or 0 by -7, so on. So 0 is a rational number. I hope it's clear to you why 0 is a rational number. So this is our first question. You can understand now. Second question, which is a very interesting question, and after doing that question we will learn something more about rational numbers. So here every question is going to teach us something. The question is, find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. You see, between 3 and 4 there is no integer, there is no whole number, there is no integer, there is no natural number, because they are two consecutive integers. So between them, after 3 it comes 4. So are there numbers that are between 3 and 4? Yes, like 3.5 is there, 7 by 2 we can say. So that is one number that lies between 3 and 4, and that is a rational number. So there is a rational number between 3 and 4. But we have to find the 6 rational numbers. So you focus upon this 6. Now solution is, here 3 is equals to, we can write it in P by Q form as 3 by 1. And we can also find an equivalent rational number to this by multiplying this number by at least one number greater than this, which is 6. If we have to find 6 rational number, then we have to multiply by 7. So we get numerator as 21, denominator as 7, and 4 similarly is equals to 4 multiplied by 7, and 1 multiplied by 7 is equal to 28 by 7. So 22 by 7, 23 by 7, 24 by 7, 25 by 7, 26 by 7, 27 by 7 are 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. So similarly, you can do any question like this. So try to do this exercise. We'll meet in our second video. Till then, take care of yourself.